everyone, Steve Hensberger here from Tersano. Welcome. We're going to show you today how to install this magnificent new iClean Flow. So you got the product. Let's open up the box, see what we're dealing with. First thing out is the power cord in a box. That's the last thing we put on. And there's a nice little instruction manual here. So very simple little drawings there of how to install as well. But next we'll take out the mounting bracket that will go with the unit. So in this little bag, you're going to find the mounting bracket that we're going to have to put on the wall. There is a wrench for the filter change, and there's a extra O-ring and a couple of fittings that we're going to need to connect the water lines. Keep in mind, the water lines, there's a lot of options with this device. So next out of the box and last out of the box is the actual iClean Flow. So it comes with these 1/2-inch NPT fittings on either end. So you have a lot of options on how you can connect your water lines to this. If you're going to be breaking it, today we're just cutting into a flexible line, so very simple install with push lock fittings in the end. But if you're cutting a copper line, at that point you're going to need a plumber to do the final connections. So we're not going to get into all the different options of how you may be connecting water to this device. We're going to show you how to install it, and then from there get the water going to it. So, alright, so first step obviously is to mount the mounting bracket. So let's get our holes marked on the wall where we're going to put this guy. I'm going to use a level to make sure he's nice and straight afterwards. Mark my holes. Alright, there we go, ready to slide into the bracket like so, and we're ready to go. Alright, so we got our plumbing connections made here. Gonna take the wrench, just let's make sure that the filter housing is tight. So that is just a sediment filter. We get a lot of questions around how often does it have to be changed. Hopefully never. It's on a municipal tap water line. There should never be any sediment in there, but so it's just a visual. You see dirt in there, you think it's slowing the flow down, change it out. Not a very expensive item. So power to the unit is this guy plugged in over here. And I see green light come on, so it is ready to go. I'm gonna do two more things. I'm gonna turn the water on now for this guy. So now we got water to our iClean Flow, and then what I'm going to do next is plug in our ice maker. So we're going to hear the noise of the chiller coming on. But what you will see is, because one of the first steps it's doing is calling for water, so blue light came on. That means water is flowing through it, and the ozone generator is on, and you are getting ozonated water into your ice machine. Yeah, so that's how easy it is to install the iClean Flow, guys. This is an ice machine application, doing it on laundry, doing it on a misting system, doing it on all the myriad of systems that you could put it in line with. It's the same. It's those screws in the wall with the mounting plate, slide the unit on, and then just do your plumbing connections. So thank you so much for joining us today. Good luck, and have fun with the iClean Flow.